You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Acura MDX. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The MDX is the third-row luxury SUV that's designed to surpass expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Experience the superior handling of this high-performance luxury SUV. Make an appointment to drive one today.